So the process to deactivate your Instagram account is quite easy and simple. Maybe you want to prepare for the exam or do something else and you want to deactivate your account. Just go and open up your Instagram app and the process is updated. So it is same for Android as well as iPhone. Tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. This opens up your profile. Once you are here, tap on three lines at the right top corner. This opens up your settings and activity. Now at the top, you have an option of Accounts Center. Tap on this. Inside the Account Centers, if you scroll down a bit, you have Account Settings. Under Account Settings, the second option is Personal Details. Tap on this. Inside here at the bottom, you have an option of Account Ownership and Control. Tap on this. Now you have an option of deactivation or deletion. Tap on this option. Now you need to select the Instagram account that you want to deactivate. Tap on the account. Now at the top you have selected the option deactivate account. Select this. It says deactivating your account is temporary and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account settings. So tap on continue. It will ask for your password. Enter your Instagram password and tap on continue and your Instagram account will be deactivated. Hope this video has helped you through the process, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.